In the world of vehicles, truck manufacturing is a symphony of engineering precision, bringing together thousands of parts into one cohesive, functional unit. It's an intricate dance of complexity and sophistication that unfolds on a grand scale. Picture countless moving parts, each piece a testament to innovative design and diligent craftsmanship, coming together through various stages of assembly. This process is a testament to human ingenuity, creating mammoth machines that power our world. Now, let's delve into the intricacies of the different parts of a truck and their manufacturing process. The engine, the heart of the truck, is where the magic happens. This powerhouse transforms fuel into motion, propelling the truck forward. Manufacturing an engine is a meticulous process. It starts with casting and machining the engine block, assembling the pistons, crankshaft, and cylinder head. Each part is carefully tested to ensure top-notch performance. This process, marked by precision and quality control, results in a robust engine. A well-built engine is crucial for the truck's performance, durability, and efficiency. The chassis, the truck's skeleton, is the structural base that supports the body and the components. It's like the backbone, providing structure and strength to the entire vehicle. This crucial component is meticulously designed, fabricated, and assembled, ensuring it can bear the weight of the truck and its cargo. Its design involves a blend of engineering precision and structural integrity. The chassis is not just a frame, it is the foundation that carries the heartbeat of the truck. The engine. A robust chassis ensures the truck's load capacity and overall stability. The body of the truck, its shell, protects the cargo and the driver. It's more than just a container, it's a fortress, engineered with precision and crafted with care. Materials are chosen for their strength and resilience, shaped and assembled to form a robust shield. This shell has to withstand the elements, the rigors of the road, and the test of time. It's not just about durability, it's about safety too. A sturdy body ensures the truck's durability and safety. Truck manufacturing is a marvel of engineering, where each part plays its vital role. We've journeyed through the heart of the truck, the engine pulsating with power. We've explored the skeleton, the chassis, the backbone supporting the beast. Lastly, we've admired the shell, the body, the protective cloak, and character of the truck. Each component, meticulously crafted, harmonizes in a grand symphony of precision, resilience, and power. In the end, truck manufacturing is a symphony where every part, every process contributes to the creation of a machine that keeps the world moving.